So, hi dear Pisces, very good evening to you guys. This is Tarot Anjali, and this is a journal. Love reading for all the Pisces, Sun, Moon, Venus rising from 9 till the 15th of Feb 2026. Roles can be reversed also, and if it is not resonating, this is not your story. For personal reading healing sessions, check out the description box, you'll find the links below. And for tarot reading course, self love course, and Ho'oponopono Masterclass 2, links are given below. So, let's start. Pisces, the overall energy for Pisces people for this week regarding their love and relationship area. Let's see what we have. We have the Ace of Swords, Seven of Pentacles, the Hierophant bottom of the deck is a Page of Pentacles. You guys are mentally very clear about commitment, about marriage, about how it should make you feel like, how it should look like. You guys are very patiently waiting for the time when you guys will be able to connect with that kind of person or that kind of energy. For some of you, you guys have recently started a chapter with someone and you guys are taking it really slow. So you guys are kind of in this energy of testing the waters so that you guys can move forward in a particular direction. Okay, maybe with a person or maybe in general you feel like, okay, this is what I feel, this is what I deserve, let's go. Let's see your person or your partner's current feelings for you right now, Pisces. Six of Pentacles. This person is feeling like whosoever you're dealing with, they're feeling there's lack of equal give and take of energy in the situation. There's imbalance here somehow. Let's clarify the Six of Pentacles as their feelings. We have Three of Pentacles, Justice, and the Eight of Swords. Yes, you guys, this person is feeling like even if both of you are in the situation is somehow not doesn't make them feel like both of you are equally invested and interested in the situation. They feel like they're mentally trapped. They can't stop overthinking about the situation. They're trying their best to keep things fair, keep things balanced, but somehow things are not working out, especially if you guys are working together also, like professionally also you guys are working together. Otherwise also this person is feeling like they are trying their best, they are giving their best, but this thing is not working. There is always imbalance. Let's see, what do you feel about this particular person or situation from your side, Pisces? The Moon, from your side you feel like this person is acting secretive or mysterious, and or you are the one who feels like not saying too much or not expressing too much, in fact not expressing or not saying anything at all. And you feel like there are lots of fears. You have a lot of fear including in this situation, and or you feel there is something secretive and mysterious, hidden truths. There are some kind of hidden truths in the situation that are not completely clear. The Lovers, the Devil, and the Eight of Wands. I am getting this third party energies a lot today. What is happening? You feel like either you have someone by your side apart from this particular person or situation also, and you feel like at some point of time you guys should reveal this to the other person, and or you feel like the person that you are dealing with, they are dealing with someone else also. You are highly suspective, you're highly suspicious about that person, and you feel like talking to them about it, having back and forth communication with them, clearing the air with them. You definitely feel like somebody is hiding a third party from you, a romantic third party, and you feel like you have somebody by your side with whom you're connected to, okay, like apart from one more person, and you feel like at some point of time it's going to come out and you guys should do something about it. Hmm. Let's see what this person wants from you. What are their intentions for the situation between you and them, Pisces? Three of Pentacles. This person wants equal give and take of energy. This person wants equal interest and equal investment in the situation from both the sides. For some of you, if you guys are already married or connected to each other, like very committed to each other, they might be planning to seek help like counseling or therapy or something like that. Let's clarify the Three of Pentacles here. We have the Emperor, the Queen of Wands, and the Knight of Wands. Yes, this person wants to bring the fire back, the passion back in the situation. They don't want to look like a fool. They want to handle this situation with a lot of maturity and a lot of groundedness. But at the same time, this person wants to bring the freshness back in the situation, the you know spark back in the situation. They want to bring the situation back to life. They want to bring the passionate energy, passion back in the situation, and they want this situation to work out in a mature and grounded way. You guys are losing spark. This person is heavily feeling like you are losing interest in them, and they want to bring the back. They want to bring the interest or spark back in the situation. What is wrong with me today? I'm not connected at all. Let's see, what do you want from this particular person or situation from your side, Pisces? Seven of Swords. You are the lying one here. You want to hide something from this particular person or situation. You definitely want to keep your secrets to yourself. Now the roles can be reversed also. Please keep that in mind. Let's clarify the Seven of Swords. You are the one telling me, I don't want to reveal anything. I don't want to say anything. I want to keep my things to myself. You want to sneak away from a situation slowly but surely. Ace of Cups, Two of Swords, Two of Wands. Definitely there's a choice between two people, two energies. And definitely you are leaning more towards your heart's energies, heart's desire. Some of you guys are already married to someone, but you are feeling love, you are feeling attraction, pull towards another person, another energy here. No matter if you are just married or if you are married or not, if you are committed to someone, there is another person in the mix in one of your lives, one of yours lives. And the person that is dealing with the third party here, they're trying their best to hide it from the other person here. Now if this is not your story, if it is not resonating, definitely it's not your story. Just leave this part behind. This is a heavy third party reading today. The other person is kind of blaming themselves, like like they're losing interest in me, something is wrong with me, and this and that. A lot of us do that, right? We are humans. Let's see what could be the possible outcome for you guys till the 15th of Feb 2026, Pisces. Judgment. So this person, okay, the outcome here is someone will try to bring something dead back to life, a connection that's dead, that's kind of buried. Someone will try their best to bring something back to life, like coming back together kind of energy, forgiveness, compassion, and coming back together, or at least trying to. Let's clarify the Judgment as the potential outcome for you guys, Pisces. We have the Chariot, the King of Wands, and the Five of Wands. As someone will try to come forward and ask for another shot, ask for another chance, or like starting from the start, even though it is going to start as a very attractive and passionate kind of energy, it's going to turn into some kind of shit show. The moment you guys are going to come together and do something about this situation, start doing something about this situation, it's going to turn into a full on drama, high voltage drama kind of a thing. So be ready to have some kind of drama. It's like two people fighting with each other because of other people involved in the situation. So somebody will try to bring the situation back to normal, and they're very determined that they're going to do something about it. The moment they're going to do something about it, there is going to be conflict, chaos, and drama, because the other person is not there. They are invested somewhere else with something else or someone else. I hate these kind of readings where I have to reveal these kind of things. Now if you know that your person is very loyal and honest, and there is no chance there is going to be any third party in the situation at all, don't try to be suspicious, don't try to make their life hell and yours too. Okay, just leave this reading behind. This is not for you, then definitely not for you. Let's see the guidance here. We have 10 of Cups, the Sun, and the 7 of Cups. Yes, if this is a situation, especially if it is a marriage or commitment that you guys are dealing with, and you guys are not sure about what's going on, what's the issue, try to clear the air with your person openly and honestly, instead of making stories and scenarios in your head. Okay, instead of creating stories and scenarios and getting confused and getting overwhelmed with all of whatever all of the shit happening behind the scenes, try your best to give your person a benefit of doubt and talk to them very openly and honestly about everything that you're going through, everything that you're feeling. Do it from your side. At least if they're going to respond to this, this is really nice, this is a healthy thing. If they're not going to respond to this, you can ask for time, you can give them time and give them the space to tell you what's going on. Maybe it's not what you thought it is, it can be something else also. But instead of getting restless, instead of getting pissed off, instead of being a detective here, try to talk to your person openly and honestly. Try to clear the air with them, try to make them understand your side of the story, your feelings, your energies and everything, and then take the next step forward. Hmm? Don't create stories and scenarios before like clearing the air with your person openly and honestly. Okay, that's what I'm getting. This reading is very heavy today. Yeah. So yeah, let me answer one of your questions related to a love and relationship area. This portion also might or might not resonate. If it does, good. If it doesn't, just leave this portion behind. Okay. So I'm going to give you 10 to 15 seconds to get the answer. If that's not enough for you, you can pause the video and unpause whenever you feel like to get the answer. Cool. So let's start. You can close your eyes, take 3 deep breaths, ask your question 3 times in your mind space. Keep it short, simple, and precise. And I'm going to give you the answer in the next 10 to 15 seconds, and your time starts now. Okay, so the answer to your question is this is the sign. This is the sign of, you might be asking for from the universe for a sign. Sometimes we find ourselves in a limbo, putting off making decisions or taking next step towards something we are unsure of. If you have been searching for a sign that you should do, leave, or start something, this is that sign. This also means that, depending on the question you have asked, this is an affirmative card and form of yes. Think of it as your green light to take action, whatever you wanted to do or not wanting to do. This is the sign for you. So yeah, thank you so much for tuning in, Pisces. We'll see you soon in the next video. Bye bye. Take care. May existence bless you. Namaste.